Let's jazz up these Dollar Tree plastic bowls for our holiday table. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks again for coming back. All right, so these are the plastic bowls. They come packed 4. I'm going to only use 2 today, and I'm using chalk paint. This one is, forgive me, I don't know what the color is, but it is like a lime green. Not the best color, but whatever. Anyways, I use a dauber and I go over the entirety of the bowl. I did 2 coats, and you could just stop right there. Like, these are really pretty, but you know, I can't stop there. So let it dry really well. And then I'm using chalk paint. Sheepskin is the color, and I'm going over the bowls again. Now, I love this. And I was like, I had full intention, friends, full intention to stop right here. Put this on, looks super pretty, super festive. Oh, I love it, right? Super cool. But I am impatient, and I started using my heat gun to dry it, and the flip-flap and things cracked. Not the bowl, but the paint. So I'm like, well, wait, they cracked. So I'm like, all right, let's go with this. So first I'm going to clean the bowl, and I'm just using an alcohol little pad, and I'm just cleaning any excess of paint that got on the inside. And then I used a little of my antiquing wax, and I'm going over with a sponge. I'm like, well, I've already gone this far. And I know many of you are like, ew, it's so gross. I don't care. I was not mad because look at how cool this looks. But then I was like, you know what? Didn't I just make some rub and buff? I wonder if I do this antiquing and it looks really kind of interesting, what if I put rub and buff on? Because it can't get any worse. I know. I say, I don't care. I think it looks great. I was not happy with the cracking, and I wasn't happy with having to distress it. This is the one time I wasn't going to distress it. But anyways, all right. So I'm like, all right, fine. So I get my rub and buff out, and I use my little brush, and I'm like, look, I'm already this far in. Let's go for it. So I just really went for it. Now, again, this is my homemade rub and buff, which I used black shoe polish and some gold mica and mixed them together. And then it gives a really cool shine. Look at the shine on that. Like, it's really kind of cool. So what was, I feel like a fail. I mean, I wasn't going for a distressed vibe, so it wasn't what I intended, but look at how fun this is. Like, I did take a cloth, and I didn't show it here, but I did take a cloth and wipe the bowl just to get the rub and buff to really, be more, so it's not splotchy or patchy. So I did go over them, but I did this for both of them. And listen, I'm going to be honest with you. I think it looks really cool. Again, not planned, but look at how fun this is, right? It's really cool. Now, yes, I did do a sealing coat of dishwasher safe Mod Podge on them just to make sure if they get dirty with candy or whatever that we could wash them. But I mean, listen, a really yucky moment turned into, I'm not so mad, really kind of cute, right? Anyways, it'll look cute on my table. It isn't forever, and it was super cheap. So it was a cool lesson. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.